Alright guys, welcome back to another video on Full-Time Purpose. Victor and I are here with you guys again today. We're going to be sharing with you 3 easy ways to make money online with a small audience. Now normally when we think of people making money online, they think, oh, we need to have like hundreds of thousands of subscribers or such a big audience in order to do that. And it's actually not the truth. The truth is with a relatively small audience, it could be less than 500 subscribers, even less than that, which on this channel you'll learn how to do that in a relatively short time as well. That's something that you can begin to develop authority on. You can begin to have in certain ways that you can generate income doing just that, growing a small audience, and then that leading into you having more time for yourself to then grow your audience bigger and bigger. So that's what we're going to be sharing with you today.
Okay. Number one, probably the easiest way to monetize yourself is to provide a service. We're going to share with you some other things you can do that are also good, but something, a service, whether it's some sort of form of your one-on-one time, is something you already kind of have at your disposal. So you could do a one-on-one Skype session. A lot of people might be really interested in your YouTube videos, but they're like, you know what, I want to ask this person some questions. I vibe with them, they're helping me, but I have a few questions that were not specifically addressed in the content that I'm dying to ask this person. So just simply having a PayPal button linking to whatever fee you want to charge, you get an automatic email and you can start doing that. You could also do what I like to do, is where you do one-on-one coaching for longer periods of time. I operate my business without a website. I take them to a simple application form you can create online for free, and I send subscribers there, and then I get on the phone with them and I sign up long-term 3 or 6, or even a lot of my clients I've had for over a year, consistent income. And that's something that I didn't need to prepare for. I didn't need anything more than a cell phone to do. So some kind of service where you're putting in your one-on-one time is great, because also, lastly, people will tend to pay more for your personal time and your expertise. So it can be quite lucrative and very quick to get going.
Yeah, I remember when I was working my full-time job at Barney's New York selling women's shoes, the YouTube channel already started to pick up, and then I talked to Victor, and Victor told me, I was like, oh, when can I go full-time, And Victor was like, oh, well, all you got to do is, how much is your monthly bills and stuff? I was like, oh, the bills at the time, I think I was at $1,200 to $1,500 a month in bills. It wasn't anything crazy. And he's like, bro, that's like 8 clients, that's like 8 clients a month. So all you got to do is get like 5 to 8 clients, and then you can go full-time. And I was like, whoa. So then he shared with me a process that we use. And actually that process, if you look in the bottom of the description box below, or actually at the top of the description box below, you'll see a free training that Victor and I created, which shows how we grew on YouTube, how we monetize our business, and how we're able to go full-time doing what we love. And we'll show you how to do that as well. So that's a free training that we just recently created. It'll be in the top of the description box, and you'll see it there. And the second point that we want to share with you with this is something called affiliate marketing. Now you may think about this and you may look and be like, well, I don't know if I have a service or if I feel credible enough yet to have some type of expertise to help people or a service yet. But what you can begin to do is, affiliate marketing is when what you do is you put out content in a certain niche. So for example, maybe it's a niche on how to grow your YouTube channel, right? Maybe it was how to grow your YouTube channel, and what you did is you saw that Victor and I had a course on how to grow your YouTube channel. So what you did is you made some content on YouTube and the power of YouTube and stuff like that, and then what you did is you put our product, our link, inside of the description box, and you said, if you guys want to learn more about how to do this, you click the top of the link at the top of the description box, and these 2 people will show you exactly how to do that, because they've already done it on YouTube. And then what happens is, when they go there to that link, that could be what's called an affiliate link, which means that whatever percentage when they click on that link and they buy through it, there's a certain percentage of it that you will make as well. So it's where you link to other people's products that are already somebody that is established in that space, and what you do is you help them to be getting some type of result. And that result will be in some type of product. So you want to do this, of course, with something that's legitimate, something that you believe in. You never want to affiliate product or affiliate for somebody that you don't believe in what they're doing. But you can just connect people to the solution, and that could be someone else's product that you didn't even make, but you could still get 50, 60, sometimes up to 70% of the sales that you make could be just to you. So affiliate marketing is something that I did about a year, no, how long has it been? Maybe like 5 or 6 months ago. I did an affiliate marketing for somebody that has a product that helps people to rewire their brain and to understand how to be successful. So I did an affiliate marketing because I went through the training and I got so much value out of it that all I had to do was share it, and then I got a percentage of everything that came through. Plus, I helped people to transform their lives just by connecting them in that way. So affiliate marketing is also a way that you don't have to spend hours making a course or doing anything other than just studying your niche, making videos, and then linking to products that already get that kind of result.
Yeah, so I'll just add a couple of things, and it can happen very easily. Like for example, just like a few days ago, I was telling Aaron I had this like distance Reiki session done for my shoulder, and I was so blown away by it. I was so like impressed by this that I talked to her. I said, listen, how would you like it if I promote your services and you'll raise the prices a little bit so I can get a bit of a commission and then you get paid your normal fee? And it's like, I'm very passionate. I want to bring this woman into my audience. I want to like introduce them because it was so helpful to me. So it's a very like, it can be a very genuine, natural thing. Like when you really get a result from something, then you can share that with your audience. And again, then it's a win-win for both parties. Yeah. And then this could even expand in other ways. Like me and him get to go to Costa Rica and stay at this really high-end retreat center twice a year now for free, simply by mentioning it to our audience. So you really, we can travel. There's all these cool little perks to that. Yeah. Anyways, the third one is create a digital product, which I know can sometimes be intimidating to people. I don't know, I don't have any tech skills. It could be so easy. It literally could be a short ebook or a short video series helping deliver a specific result. It doesn't have to be fancy, it doesn't have to be high tech, it doesn't have to be elaborate. It has to be a shortcut for a result. For example, you could probably watch all of our YouTube videos on our other channels and learn a lot of stuff. Within that, there's a lot of information. Or you could buy a 20-page ebook that consolidates and streamlines that information that you can just follow in a step-by-step format to get a result. So it's a very easy way to get not only income, but passive income, because once you create that and it's done, and then you can be making money while you sleep, literally. Yeah. So those are 3 ways that you can make a great living with, literally, without you don't need a big audience. You just need to have these different arms in the fire in place from the get-go. So if you want to learn more about this and you want to go deeper into like exactly how me and Aaron have done this and scaled this to a pretty large scale, I would say, we have a free training we just created, as he mentioned to earlier. It's at the very top of the description box below, where we go real deep into like how we do what we do, and we just share it all with you there. So go ahead and click that down below if you'd like. And nonetheless, I had a great time talking with you guys. Hope you're all doing well. Have an amazing day. Peace. Peace.